The Nestlé Professional Toque has once again been searching for the UK's very best hospitality students and apprentices. And this year, the Toque finalists have taken in a whole host of sustainable experiences across the UK. Getting understanding of sustainable farming and the importance of quality ingredients, leading them to deliver the event of all events for Nestlé Professional. Finally, the winners were announced at the iconic Soho House in London. And the lucky winners enjoyed the trip of a lifetime, taking in the sights, sounds and tastes of Abu Dhabi and Dubai.
It's been just incredible, really, and just overwhelmed.
The Nestlé Professional Toque. This is no ordinary competition.